This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling everything you need and keeping enzymes cold to preserve activity. Once reagents are thawed on ice, prepare a clean workspace and put on gloves. Contamination ruins results. Make a master mix to reduce pipetting error, calculate volumes for N+ controls, and aliquot into PCR strip tubes. While you work, program the thermocycler with initial denaturation and cycle parameters, so it's ready when tubes are loaded. This saves time and prevents enzyme degradation. You now aliquot the master mix into each tube and add template DNA last to minimize contamination. Use gentle pipetting to avoid creating bubbles, then vortex briefly and spin to collect contents at the bottom. Once tubes are sealed and labeled, arrange them in the correct order for the thermocycler and verify lid pressure. Make sure cycling parameters match primer TM and expected amplicon length. Adjusting annealing temperature and extension time optimizes specificity and yield. You place tubes in the pre-programmed thermal cycler, close the lid, and start the run while monitoring for errors. Once cycling is complete, cool tubes and prepare an agarose gel to visualize products against a DNA ladder so you can confirm size and yield. If amplification failed, first inspect controls. A positive control failure suggests reagent or program issues, while a contaminated non-template control indicates contamination. For troubleshooting, vary annealing temperature, check primer sequences, and adjust Mg2+ or template quantity to resolve common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.